Hola mi gente and welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. And today we have a delicious apple cider sangria. Now before we get started, what's your favorite flavor of sangria? What do you like? Let me know in the comments below. To make this cocktail, really simple. Apples, apple cider, orange juice, red wine, and some rum. We're gonna build this cocktail in a wine glass. So it's literally, we pour and we drink. So we're ready to go. First ingredient, like I always say, start with the least expensive ingredient just in case you make a mistake. You don't wanna waste any of that booze. We're gonna put the apples. Now here we have the apple cider already measured out. We're gonna put 3/4 of an ounce right in there. Here we have fresh orange juice, 3/4 of an ounce. And again, always fresh, always fresh. It really makes a difference. Now we have red wine. Now with the red wine, what you can do is utilize Pinot Noir or a Cabernet or a Merlot. I'm utilizing a Pinot Noir because it's a bit softer. It's gonna go with the flavors of the apple. And we have some rosemary that's gonna go for the garnish, but that's for later. We're gonna go 3 ounces right in there. And then some rum. Now, if you don't have white rum, you could utilize a spice rum. You could do a dark rum as well, but I'm utilizing white for this one. Next, add some ice. Now, we give it a little bit of a stir to really mix all those ingredients. Now, while I'm stirring this cocktail, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this. We also have a lot of things going on, so if you want to stay in the loop, subscribe, follow, love, you know the deal, please. And now we need to make the cocktail pretty. So I cut up some apples to kind of make it look like a little fan. Now all you have to do is just grab an apple, slice it, and cut it 3 times, and you get a fan. And now for the aromatics of this cocktail, rosemary. Just gonna throw it right in there to the side. And looks beautiful, it smells great. I mean, I wish you could really smell the rosemary from over there. Fantastic. But there you have it, an apple cider sangria for the holidays or Monday. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you want to see more amazing content like this, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and now let's get it.